To Money Matters. Hi, and welcome to Money Matters. Today's topic is planning a basic budget. First, you should have a job or income. Then list expenses you spend money on. Make sure you save money and collect interest. Making money overnight while you are sleeping is a smart investment for your future. This is a sample of what a budget looks like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. This is an example from Excel where you have 4 weeks, because there's 4 weeks in a month, each week, how much you made by the end of the week. Then you subtract the taxes, and then you have your total income. This was made on an Excel spreadsheet. It's got the expenses each month. It lists all of them, and then there's a total at the bottom. This was made with an Excel spreadsheet. It lists the savings and the IRA retirement fund expenses, what you're paying per month in savings, and then what you have left over extra each month after your expenses are paid. Today we're going to go over a financial budget, which is a simple tool to control your finances. We're going to talk about expenses, income, savings, and all that fun stuff. This is just a sample of what you can do with your own budget. And it's an easy tool to use. I use Excel spreadsheet from Microsoft Office. Anyone could use this. Today we're going to go over a financial budget, which is a simple I made this slide using Microsoft Excel, highlighting the information, inserting it into a graph, which I thought was appropriate. It's a graph of a monthly income, just a sample of someone who makes $15 an hour, works 40 hours a week, and this is their monthly income. So week 1 would be $600, 2, 3, 4, and then taxes would be taken out about 15%. So the total they would get monthly would be $2,040. I check my bank every day to make sure I have enough money for what I'm spending. Monthly expenses sometimes are the same and sometimes they range, but you're always going to have a phone bill, entertainment, your rent or your mortgage, water bill, internet, electric, transportation, and food. This is just a sample of all of those monthly expenses. Your transportation could be completely different. This is based on a bus pass, someone that doesn't have a car. Maybe you take the subway, maybe you ride your bike, maybe you own your car, but you still have to pay for fuel. All these expenses need to be tracked. I know you're a smart person, so you have a savings account and probably an IRA, a retirement fund that you invest in yourself every month. You can just take a little bit of money, you can take 30%. Stick it in there every month so that in the future you have a nice little nest. You're making money every night, every year off of this, off of the interest from the bank. Push the button.